Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. Oh, what are you whining about, huh? What are you whining about? Here's Spidey taking charge of the box. What a weirdo. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Come here, little one. Come here, little one. Go in the box with Piety. Watch out, Lily. Piety, is that your baby? That's not your baby. That is not your baby, Piety. Huh. You want to put all of them in there? Okay, let's see. I think they're hungry, Piety. Uh-oh. Better watch out. Better watch out. I think they're hungry. Molly, you should see this.
What?
These puppies are hungry and Spider's in the box, so they're all eating off of her.
Spider's in the box?
Yeah, so they're all eating off her and she's just like lifting her leg, letting them. Oh my god, that's too cute.
Let's see.
Hey, don't. Okay, Spider has officially taken over the puppies. Lily just, oh hey, you don't do that. You're in their box, Piety. Ugh, that was too